Okay, so I'd like to show you how to calculate some statistics on this Casio fx260 calculator. We're going to do standard deviation. We'll do some mean and everything else too. So we're going to use this data right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 data points, and we're going to enter them in this calculator. So we want to go into standard deviation or statistical mode first. And so the key is to click mode, and then the decimal point, and up here in the corner you'll see there's a little SD up here in the corner. So that means you know you're in the statistical mode. We need to enter in all of our data. So the way that we do that is we just type in our data. We type in like a 2, and then you hit the data key down here, which is M+. So you click that in, then you do a 5, enter in 48, enter in 49, enter 55, M+, 58, M+, 59, M+, 60, M+, 62, M+, and you'll notice the last two things are 63. So just to show you that you can enter, if you have the same number and you want to enter 63 in twice, you could do 63, enter, 63, enter. But another way to do it, and this might not be any much faster on this one, but you can do 63, and then if you want to enter it like 2 times, or maybe you have it 63 like 5 times, you'll do 63, and then you can do like times 2, and then M+. That doesn't actually mean you're taking it times 2. It just means that you're entering 63 2 times. So you'll click the number you want, and then times whatever the number, and hit M+, and that way you can enter in them all at the same time. Okay, so they've all been entered, and we want to check. We had 11 data points, so there's if you click shift, then there's a whole bunch of things you can click. So if I click shift and then 6, which is the letter N right there, that tells you the number of items you have, and that says we have 11 items in here, which we know is true. If I want to get the average, it's shift 7. You'll see the X with the bar over it. So the average of this data set is like 47.6. So the big ones, the one we don't really want to calculate out by hand, because I'm sure you probably thought that was pretty annoying, is the standard deviation. You'll see right here above the 8 is sigma n, which is population standard deviation, and here is sigma n-1, which is the sample deviation. So all I have to do is click shift sigma n, or 8, and that'll give me my population standard deviation, which is 21.4. If I click shift sigma n-1, that's the sample standard deviation, and that's like 22.4. So it's a pretty easy way to figure out the mean and to figure out the standard deviation, population, and sample. All you have to do is click mode, period, to enter the statistical mode, and then enter in all your data points, and then you can do shift 7 to get the mean, shift 8 to get the population standard deviation, or shift 9 to get the sample population deviation. That's how you do that on these calculators.